Welcome to Top 10. Today we did a thing. And that thing is...
We took an i5 750 and GTX 960, we put them together, and made a gaming machine.
I need those big ones. Them biggins.
Biggins?
Yep, that's it. Should need 4 of them.
No, you left before I could clean it, son.
Seated.
Do you like rub it for good luck or something?
Yeah, it's like a little. It's like there's a genie in there.
A little fondling of the CPU.
It's just one of those things. Go. Now we need some.
What's your technique on that?
I do that. There, you know, and you gotta make a little.
I'm pretty sure the GN pad says not to do it that way.
Oh, dude, that is not working very well.
Yeah,
It all stuck to my finger.
I learned that Thermal Grizzly does not like to be
Finger smeared. You could have told me that.
well.
And so now I just made a mess.
Actually, if you actually smear it,
It's all on my finger.
yeah, Thermal Grizzly likes to just be plunked and then used.
You mean just dot it on and stick your heatsink on?
If you want to.
Yeah, because I got all of that on my...
Little smear applicator.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate you letting me know you had that.
Yeah, I thought maybe you'd want to.
Ah!
This guy.
That capacitor needed some Thermal Grizzly because they tend to get hot.
What is this, amateur?
So does the Thermal Grizzly itself need some Thermal Grizzly?
Whenever you're using it, the temperature can increase, so it's a safety
from
thing.
the friction of the piston.
Yeah, it's a safety thing.
Never a dull moment.
Okay,
This has gone well, folks.
this is just going so well. What do you mean?
Obviously, you got to take the lid off the Thermal Grizzly first. You want to turn it like it works. It works better when you do it right. I totally should have made you use my Antec Diamond.
Yeah, I got some thermal paste. That's a little bit better if you want to use this.
That's not thermal paste. This is a great application.
Wow,
This is a DIY.
this is how you do it. What is wrong with this paste? Why is it so thick and rolly? It just sticks to itself.
The back.
Oh, really? That's fancy. That is super fancy. So you can just push it right out of here?
Yeah, you probably already. Can you see it? If you look on the back side, you can actually see it. You don't have enough angle.
There. Ah.
See, now we're cooking with Crisco, or Thermal Grizzly as it may. What'd you get in your hands there?
Glue.
Smooth?
Glue.
You got some smooth on your hands? There's some nasty stuff.
Oh,
up there.
jeez.
You're gonna mount that straight on there? Like,
Yeah, it needs the extra.
does that boost it?
You gotta smooth it out a little bit before you do it though.
That boosts your clock.
It gives you an extra 500 megahertz right off the
500
top.
right off the
Yeah,
top.
you don't even have to adjust anything in the BIOS.
Like automatic BIOS.
It detects that you applied extra thermal paste, so
It's got a little sensor
it
on there.
knows you're recycling and it appreciates that. Get a little spit on there.
Is that the same as rubbing alcohol?
Pretty much. Depends on how much vodka you drink.
Is that the that OC memory you got, man? I mean,
Oh, definitely, dude. Definitely.
this is the one thing I don't really like about air coolers is how flimsy the the dang mounts always are. Maybe I can get the memory in there too.
EVGA Super SC DDR3 2400 megahertz.
Megahertz. Yeah, that's
Megahertz.
that's
It's
the
different.
vodka talking right there.
Yeah.
The megahertz.
Megahertz.
That's gonna be a comment thing now. Yeah, it pulls out.
Like a champ.
Does that one push in?
This one pushes in.
Well, if this one does, if this one's mounted the exact same way, that one pulls out. Why does that one push in? Isn't that one pulling out too? Or are they both pushing in? Are they pushing it?
10,000 RPM drives in there. Oh yeah, this is top of the line right here.
Top of the line, old school.
Like 10,000. It's the reason it's called a 10K. It's because it does 10,000 megabytes sequential read and write. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I like to believe too when I was using them.
Yeah. See, this is why people buy M2 drives, right here.
Yep, I agree.
This right here. Jeez. Okay. So. Put it on the same ribbon, right? It's not gonna affect
Well,
anything.
That motherboard right there needs power.
Yeah. Well, I mean, so does it only have one 4-pin like that, or one Molex, or does it have?
No, there's actually
Does it have multiple Molex on the motherboard, or is that just one?
no, just one.
So I can run the both hard drives off the same
One of these
ribbon.
cables went to it. Yeah, this cable went to it. Like so. And then I don't think I was running anything extra off of this. Yeah, no. So this goes to the power supply. That one's your hard drive. This goes to the power supply.
Right. So then this is gonna probably route this direction.
And then you probably want to deal with this sooner than later because I think that's got to go across the board.
Oh yeah.
Sys fan probably.
There it is. Yeah, I can route that this way. why people buy M2 drives, right here.
Yep, I agree. So that's what 7 years of dust looks like in a power supply.
How it's not straight.
Mm-hmm. Didn't that help it?
That was a complete mistake. I'm not even gonna lie about that one, but it's okay because it's still gonna cool the same.
It's just got to pull that heat out.
It's gonna be okay.
I need those big ones. Them big ones.
Big ones?
Yep, that's it. Should need 4 of them. That's always a great sound. So what's this beast?
This is a EVGA GTX 960 for the win.
For the win.
Comes with a back plate. The dust is free of charge under there.
Free of charge on the dust.
Free of charge on the dust. But I'm probably gonna go ahead and take this off and clean this card, clean the PCB off so that we can get optimum temperatures.
Is that kind of a necessary thing on that 960 because of how beastly it is?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Just one of those things where you can't ever tell. So you give it a shot. Doesn't matter what other people say. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do something.
It'll do. It's gonna do the business. And the only reason that's in there is because the sound card on the motherboard crapped out. Cool.
Snap.
Snap, jiggle wiggle. All them megahertz.
Oh, them megahertz.
.4K at about 240 hertz.
Oh yeah. We're gonna be breaking some world records with this thing. I don't need to know that this is an 8-pin PCI Express. It
Well,
really bothers me that that's even on there.
The guy after you might wonder what that cable is. You know, if Linus comes and buys this computer off Craigslist after you're done with it,
Yeah, I think that would throw him for a loop. He wouldn't even know what to do with himself. I'm going the wrong way with that. That's what that was.
you plug it in backwards, all your games will play in reverse.
Alright, well,
Alright, so that pretty much
sums that up.
concludes this build.